Want to know how to hide all photos in Facebook? You would want to hide all the photos in Facebook to ensure that the only people you choose can view your personal memories and images. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to hide all the photos in Facebook. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open the Facebook app on your screen. Then tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on the Settings and Privacy option. Again tap on the Settings option. Likewise, scroll down to the Audience and Visibility section and tap on the Post option. Furthermore, tap on the Who Can See Your Future Post option at the top of your screen. An icon will appear. Tap on the Only Me option at the bottom and tap on the Save option. Moreover, tap on the Limit Who Can See the Past Post option and tap on the Limit Past Post option. A confirmation message will appear. Again, tap on the Limit Past Post option to confirm your decision. Finally, all your photos will be hidden in the Facebook. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.